Discover the best WooCommerce bulk plugins that helps you create offers that increase conversions and boost average order value. Let's get straight into it. For example, here we've got a bulk pricing discount, and essentially if a user purchase one item, they can get it for $24. However, if they purchase 2 units, then it's $18 per unit, and so on. Not only this, but we can create various different dynamic rules. If we head over to our dashboard and we go to rule type, we can create a discount amount, a percentage amount, buy one, get one free, tiered pricing, fixed price, and so much more. We can choose which product we want it to apply to. So we can set it to apply to all products, specific products based on the actual product or the category, tag, or brand. And we can also exclude products as well. We can say who we want this offer to apply to. So we can say for everyone, or to apply to first-time buyers only. Here we get to decide the amount in which we want to give to our customers. This is all powered by the WholesaleWP plugin. So I'll leave a link in the description below, or just head over to WholesaleWP.com. With that being said, let's head over to our dashboard and let's continue creating our rule. So I'm actually going to create a tiered pricing rule, but on a global level. We can do it on a product per product basis as well. So I'm going to switch this to a tiered pricing, and then we'll just give it a name. It's for internal purposes. So we'll say tiered pricing for everyone. We'll set it to apply to all products just to keep things super simple. And this is running for everyone. We won't add any conditions here. Okay. And this is the rule. So we'll say if a user purchase one product, then we will give a 0% off. So they're just getting it for the original price. However, if the purchase 2 unit, again, percentage off, so we'll give maybe 10% off. And then if the purchase 3 or more, we'll give 15% off. Let's create and activate this rule. All right, so now let's head over to our shop page and let's view this product. So when we view one of our products here, we can see the rules automatically applying. So 1 unit, yeah, they're getting nothing off. If they purchase 2 units, then we're giving them 10% off, 3 unit, 15% off, and so on. So this will automatically apply to all the products on our website. And I'll quickly show you how you can achieve a similar result on a product per product basis. All right, so if we edit this product here where it says group pricing, we can specify bulk discounts per user group or just for everyone. So this is for retail customers, the default. And we can add various different pricing tiers here. For example, we can say if they buy 1 item, we'll do it for $45. 2 items, final price per unit, $40. 3 or more, we can say $38. And then here we've got a preview of what the deal will actually look like on the front end. So if we save this, here we can see the rule in which we've created on a product level is overriding our global rule. 2 or more. It's 34. I'm guessing I did a typo here. Let's double check. Yeah, so I created a typo here. So this needs to be 3, not 2. And we've got an alert here as well, letting us know there's an overlap. When we update this, we should see 3 tiers. There we go. And using the same concept, you can create various different rules. Like, for example, you can create a cart rule that says if a user spends over $100, we'll give them $25 off their cart value, for example. And to do that, if we head over to our dynamic pricing rule, we can just switch this to amount discount. For the name, we just name it appropriately. We can choose who we want to target, and then we can say $25. That's the amount they're getting off. And this is optional, so we can add a discount name. So we could say spring sale, for example. However, this time we'll add a condition that says the cart value needs to be greater than $100. All right, so this will only trigger once the user has a total cart value of over $100. Then we'll give them $25 off. So that just gives you an idea of what you can do with this plugin. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.